Today, I, Crashes Clay 69, am here to show you a signal, indicator, and sign that is pointing towards a 50% dump in Bitcoin. To put things into perspective, we haven't even dumped 50%. We're currently 47% off the high right now, that 69K top. And I'm about to show you something that is pointing towards a drop of another 50% from where we stand today at 38,000. Watch this video through to see what that is. Am I going to give full credibility to this indicator and say that this indicator says it, that therefore it's 100% going to happen? Definitely not, right? But when you add, I'm just adding another factor to the pile of shit that there is here today, right? We've got war, COVID, inflation, political tension, you holding the bag, and so much more that, you know, there's a never ending just pile of shit that just keeps growing and growing and growing. And once again, I, Alex, Crashes Clay, am just here to add to the pile and do my part during this crash. So a lot of you hate me for that, but I like participating and adding to the pile of shit. And a lot of people don't like that. And so, you know, I don't know what to say to you, but this is what I'm doing today. So you can see we broke the green Ichimoku cloud over here, and we dumped 58%. We broke the Ichimoku cloud over here, and we dumped right here 53%. And right now, what do you notice? What are we doing, my friend? All right, what are you doing? You're breaking the Ichimoku cloud. Now, 53%, 58% the last two times. Let's just take an average of that, okay? And this is not enough data necessarily to say that, oh, the third time has to drop 50+% like those times, right? But, I mean, let's just say in a perfect world and scenario, boom, that gets you down to 18,000. Now, you guys know my opinion and my predictions. I think we're going to go to 23 to 26,000 Bitcoin, although I'm fully aware that it can get worse than that, and we can go below 23,000, right? But that's my modest expectation, is 23 to 26,000 Bitcoin. It does seem out there right now, but every day we just keep moving closer and closer to it, and more people start to believe me. Now, with time, we'll find out if I'm right or not. I have no shame in being wrong. You know, no one has a crystal ball. It's just my prediction, and a lot of times I turn out to be right? So, that being said, all right, I want to show you something kind of cool here. All right, check this out. So see when we broke this green cloud here, okay, we came actually back up to the top of the cloud and then we dumped, right? Okay, so check it out right here. We broke through the bottom of the cloud, right? Just like we broke through the bottom of the cloud here. Okay, then we came back up to the top of the green cloud. Then we came back up to the top of the green cloud. Okay, boom. So maybe that's where we dumped 50%, right? So here was 61%. So maybe from the top of there, 61% takes us to, okay, 18,000 as well. So, you know, it's kind of cool, right? Because once again, it breaks through the cloud, comes back up to the top of it, then dumps. Breaks through the cloud, comes back up to the top of it, then dumps. So it's just an interesting indicator and pattern that I wanted to point out today. And, well, what do you notice when we broke through these clouds the last times? This was what? How many weeks of bear market was this, guys? Let's see here. From March to December, so about a year, 9 months bear market right here when we broke the cloud. Okay, here we had, if you consider when we broke the cloud right here, that's about 6 months of bear market. So 6 and 8 months, and so if we break the cloud here, that would be 6 and 8 months, maybe, right? I don't know. We'll see. But you know, if you're asking, Alex, if you're so confident Bitcoin's going to crash all the way down, then why don't you put your money where your mouth is? Well, obviously last week we made over $25,000 on the short side, and this week, to that guy who's saying, oh, show us the short, right? Because you always have those guys who are like, oh, if you're so confident, wow, why don't you show us you're shorting? Ah. So today we took this trade on, we shorted Polkadot here in our Telegram alerts. And we shorted it this morning, and we are up around 12, 13,000 on this short. I've also got a short running on, let's see here, Decentraland with a just only $3,000 allocation on the short side there. And then I've got a short on Bitcoin here with just a $2,000 position, up 40% there. So yes, we are short. Yes, we are making a killing here. on the bear side, as I am, been predicting and as I've been calling. I shorted the top at 69K. I shorted the top in Polkadot at $53, and I shorted the top in Ethereum at $4,800. If you don't believe me, go back on my channel and watch the videos. Okay, what other channels actually has the proof to back these calls? I don't know. All right, I don't know. And, that's not my job to know. I just know what I do, and that's what's up. So, today, or what you're seeing right now, right? So the Ichimoku cloud, right? This is more long-term picture or perspective, right? Okay, so this is a weekly time frame. This could take a while to play out, right? It's not like this means it's going to happen right now, like it's going to happen within the next 30 minutes to an hour. But this is like the bigger picture of what could be happening, right? So I just wanted to, like I said, add to the pile of shit, show you another bearish factor, and make your day a little bit worse here when it comes to, if you're a bull, at least. All right. Now, that being said, in the very, very short term, we are short, like I said, and you can see I'm not closing out my shorts completely yet. I have locked in some profit here. I have not locked in any profit there, but most importantly, on my main position, we've locked in around $4,200 today in profit. And so, like I said, you can see I'm still holding some of my positions, right? So up 12K, and I have 8,000 in unrealized gains here. And so let me show you what I'm seeing that is making me hold my shorts at this very moment. So to me, this is what I call a dump, okay? A dump into a ping pong, okay? Into a continuation. Let's go to Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin, BTC, USD. It's the same pattern in all these cryptos. To me, it's a dump into a ping pong. Some would call this a bear flag, right? So you have the pull, the flag, and then a continuation lower. To me, this is a bearish continuation pattern. In 80% of cases, what we're seeing right now, this price action is going to result in a move lower again. Okay, so I don't think the pain is necessarily over here in the very, very short term, and that's why I'm holding my short as of now. And yeah, like I said, I've already locked in some gains on the way down, right? So like, for example, last week we made around $25,000 shorting Ethereum, and I had some idiot comment, oh, I bet you lost your ass shorting Ethereum. I would love to see that. It's like, dude, we make, it just makes no sense because people don't realize if you're not a trader, then you don't even realize we're locking in profits on the way down, right? So on this Ethereum short, when we shorted it here, last week we're locking in profits on the way down and when it goes against us. And so that's how we were up around $40,000 on this Ethereum short last week. And we only ended up making $25,000, right? So of course we didn't extract the maximum profit of selling here and covering our short there, right? Because it's not, you're never going to get the maximum, profit out of your trades. So we only ended up making 25K, but I just find it hilarious when you get a comment saying, oh, I bet you lost your ass because, Ethereum ends up coming back up. And what do? We short the hell out of it. Yesterday, we made around $3 grand shorting Ethereum on this dip. And then we jump back in today short on Polkadot instead, right? And so, you could see in the alerts, it was just killer, dude. It was really killer. You can see, let's go here. This is so awesome, guys. Check this out. So obviously we shorted Polkadot, right? But look at this chart on Ethereum, right? So I drew the future in Ethereum back when we were at 27.50 last night. So we closed out our short for a $3,000 profit. Okay, let's go back to a 15-minute time frame, guys. You're going to see how awesome this really is. Okay, so when I sent this message out, okay, see that? Ethereum's at 27.50. We have top 1, top 2, and then I drew this hoping that we would bounce up again for a third top going into today. And this is how I knew to short it. So what do you notice? Top 1, top 2, and then it bounces up, boom, right there, right? Let's see. I can actually probably pull up that same drawing if I have it still. Let's see. Yep, boom. See, so I have the exact drawing. I drew this, guys. I drew this yesterday. I drew this drawing yesterday. And so what do you know? We drew this yesterday, and the future literally the market just bended to my drawing exactly, pretty much. And so at this point, I am expecting a bearish continuation. I expect this to be, like I said, a dump into a ping pong into a dump, right? And that's what I'm expecting. Could be wrong, but in 80% of cases, I'd say this is, once again, a dump into a ping pong into a bearish continuation. So, yeah, that's all I got for you really today in the short term. That's what I'm thinking, is we still got some lower to go. In the long term, we definitely got lower to go. And that is your analysis on Bitcoin and the shorts that we've taken today in the Crash Trading Alerts Telegram. So up around 13 grand here and up around 1,100 there and 1,000 there. So guys, if you want to take these live trade setups in the Telegram Alerts channel, you can. All you got to do is go to the description down below this video, send an email to tradingonfridays@protonmail.com and get these live setups, okay, where I'm showing you my active stance on the market. Like today, just shorted some DOT. And obviously my drawings and my charts and my real-time trades and setups that are now putting us up while the market is crashing, right? People are losing money when the market is crashing. People don't know how to make money when the market is crashing. But if you can make money when the market's crashing and then reinvest your profits back on the bull side when it's time, you're going to just, you know, it just doesn't even need explaining, guys. It's common sense. So, beautiful trade today, beautiful short here, and we are looking good in the crash alerts. So, guys, if you want to join, down below. And that is my stance today on Bitcoin, and that's what I got for you. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Drop a like, make sure you're subscribed, and we'll see you later. Bye.